Hello everyone, this video will guide you through setting up ZEPETO to start creating ZEPETO items. Go to z-motion.com. It will lead you to their official website where you have to sign up for an account. You can also use your Gmail account to sign in. Next, let's download the ZEPETO software. Click on Products, then ZEPETO. They have 3 subscriptions here: Free, Pro, and Enterprise. Let us try the ZEPETO Free. Click Download. Click on Download for Windows and wait for it to finish downloading. While waiting, here are the system requirements for this software to run smoothly. You can check the computer or laptop that you're using if it's compatible with the software. Click the installer we downloaded earlier, then install. Now that we've finished installing ZEPETO, let's download the ZEPETO avatar process. Go back to ZEPETO website. Under Resources, go to Help Center. Click on Asset Library, ZEPETO avatar, then download these avatars. They also have assets for ZEPETO. Also fabrics you can use for texturing. But before we dive into that, let's go back here, unzip these files, then go back to ZEPETO as we're gonna import the ZEPETO avatars. So under Avatar tab, go to Custom, double click on New Avatar, then import the ZEPETO avatars that we downloaded. You can also just drag and drop them. Double click the avatars to appear in 3D view. Now let's try to import ZEPETO's asset for ZEPETO. Let's download one here. We choose this one. Go back to ZEPETO, then under File, click on Append. Then click the ZLS file that we downloaded. Let's adjust the mesh quality to 1. Then under Advanced Settings, check on Penetration Free and Air Resistance. This will make the fabric smoother. Go back to ZEPETO's website and let's download some fabrics. Extract the files, then go to Fabric tab, New Material, then import the U3M file. You can also drag and drop them. Select these and double click on the material to apply the texture. Lastly, you can adjust the windows to customize the user interface according to your preferences. I look forward to seeing your first ZEPETO item created with ZEPETO.